All right, this is what I'm up against today. See how bad these filters is. We got a unit in the middle of nowhere. No man's land. Boy, it's bad there, ain't it? This thing not draining at all. Like, somebody got this capped off. Get some of that out of there. Wonder why it's capped off. Why it's capped off like that? Why this unit been draining? Belt. Need a belt also. See that water draining inside that heater kit. Be careful with that. That water don't have nowhere to go. Shut this unit down. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can find some water. Yeah, we'll shut that unit down. Put a new belt on here. All right, so you see we got mountains around us. So we're in the middle of nowhere. You don't find too many mountains in Houston, Texas, but there goes one. So anyway, there's no water access for miles away. Well, I would literally need probably about 1,000 foot of water hose to make it up here. So I am going to use the evaporator core cleaner. I need to get me a spray gun. I have to go and invest. I used to always hate them little spray water bottles or guns. I ain't like to keep them on my truck, but in a situation like this, it looks like I'm gonna have to invest in one. But anyway, I'm gonna use this no rinse evap cleaner. But first I'm going to, I meant to bring my vacuum cleaner also. See if I can get some of this dirt off here. Like number mud. Where's it? Yeah, I'll rake it all down there and then go back and get my vacuum cleaner. That's already looking a little better. What? I just wonder where the water been draining to. It looks like a drain right here. I'm gonna get my back cleaned. I bought a trap. It's gonna let it leak out here, but it gotta be draining. There's no way this unit was draining. So there's gotta be a drain right here going somewhere. But even so, it gotta be clogged up. Shake it up. So that's all that can. I let that marinate for a little while. See if I want to put another can on there. Lord, we're really not that bad. This one here got some type of tape or something that it got caught up in the belt. All right, so you really don't supposed to roll your belts, but since I'm working one-handed, let's see what kind of tension we got on here. There. So that's good and tight right there. That's a lot better than what it was. Like I said, really not ideally to roll your belts on there, because you don't want to bend it or pop it. But if it's not too tight, you can roll it on there, which is really supposed to loosen them up right here. Slide the motor forward. Trying to look back there at the back of this cord back here. It's not as bad as the other side, but looks like a reheat coil. All right, so it's a VFD drive. Let's see what our foam looks like. Yeah, so that is a drain right there. So it is draining. I can see that it's draining from the middle down there. So it must be going into the building. But I think I'm gonna go one more can. put a couple pan tabs in there. We should be good to go with that. About 3 on in here. Put one right there, one right there, one right there. One more for the road. Right there. All right. All right, so we got our filters back in. So I date them. Initial. All right, looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to invest in a spray gun. I'm gonna come back and do a maintenance on all these units. They want me to do a maintenance on the mini splits also, but I'll come back and take care of that. I'm gonna see what I can do to bring some water up here. But the coil look a lot better for the evaporator coils. Need to hit these with some water or nitrogen or something. But you can see the before and after on the filters. So this unit should be a whole lot happier. Alright, so I just got my little stubbies hooked up. Look like we good on the pressure. Like it's cooling pretty good now, so I think that's all I'm gonna do to this. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, so that's that drain there. All the way from the unit. Trapped down there.